9 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I are sitting in a row facing north. D is sitting at the end. Then 4 people are sitting between D and G. 2 persons are sitting between G and B who doesn't sit at an end. 3 people are sitting between B and E. A, who is not sitting at the end, sits second to the right of E. Okay. F is sitting fourth to the left of C. I is not sitting at the end. So these are all the information given to me. Now the first step, as I said, it is creating the base. Creating the base is like I need to create a places for 9 people and all are sitting in a row and all of them are facing north. This is the first condition. So let me consider that. Let me consider 9 places in the row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and all are facing north. So if all are facing north, this will be my right side and this will be my left side. This we have discussed in the last class. Then D is sitting at the end, but we don't know whether D is sitting at this end or D is sitting at this end. So obviously I need to make the cases. I will make 2 cases here. D can sit at this end or D can sit at this end. Then coming to the next hint, 4 people are sitting between D and G. So 4 people here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can consider G here. In the second condition, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can consider G here. Next, 2 people are sitting between G and B who doesn't sit at an end. So there are 2 people between G and B and B is not sitting at the end is what question is saying. Now if I consider 1, 2, B here, B cannot come here because B will be sitting at the end and question is very specifically saying that B cannot be at the end. So I will take to the other end. So 1, 2, I can consider B here. Now both the conditions are satisfied. D is sitting at the end, D and G, between D and G there are 4 persons and G between B and G there are 2 persons and also B is not sitting at the end. I have considered all the conditions. Similarly, I will try to fix B in the second condition. In the second condition, G, 1 person, 2 person. If I take B here, again B is coming at the end which is not allowed. So I will not take B to this end. Instead, I will be taking B to the other end. 1, 2, I can take B here. Now, in both the condition, I have satisfied this one and this one. This is done, this is done, this is done. So we have done 3 hints. We have satisfied 3 hints in both the cases. Now let me take up with the fourth hint. Fourth hint is saying 3 people are sitting between B and E. As we already know where is B, I can fix E now. 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. So E must be this side. If I consider E to the other end, 1 person, 2 person, I can't have 3 person between B and E because there are no places available here. Similarly, in the second case, 1 person, 2 person, I can't take E to this end. So I will take 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, E should be sitting here. Next, A who is not sitting at the end, sits second to the right of E. Let me consider second to the right of E first. So here, E is here, this is the first right, this is the second right, so this should be A. Similarly, here in the second condition, E is here, first right, second right, this should be A. Now, as the question is saying that A is not sitting at the end, but in the first condition, I am getting A at the end, so I can directly eliminate the first condition. Now I am left with only one condition. Now I will be fixing all the other persons in the second condition alone because the first condition is already eliminated. Now F is sitting fourth to the left of C. F is sitting fourth to the left of C. If at all I take, let's say C here, first left, second left, third left, fourth left. Here this fourth left is already occupied by E, so I can't take C here. Second option left for me is C is here, first left, second left, third left, fourth left. Now I have a place for F here. If at all I am taking C here and here, then towards this end I will not be having the place for F, so I can't take C here and here. So only place left for C is this one. Now I have fixed F and C. Let me check the next hint. I is not sitting at the end. Now I have only 2 places left. One is this one, the other is this one. But the question is saying I cannot be at the end. So only option left for I is this one. Now if I observe, A is fixed, B is fixed, C, D, E, F, G, H is not fixed. So only place left will be for H and this will be my final arrangement. So answer for this question is H, F, E, G, A, C, B, I, D from left to right. After getting this arrangement again, I will be getting the questions like who is sitting at the right end, who is sitting at the left end, how many people are sitting to the right of A, how many people are sitting between A and F, who is sitting immediate right of E. These type of questions I may get in exam, but finding the arrangement is difficult. After getting the arrangement, finding the answers for the given questions will be very easy. So these are the very two simple questions in sitting arrangement.